This tutorial is going to show you how to export your citations so that you can copy and paste them to your PowerPoint presentation. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your project. Next, you'll click on your sources. Then you'll select Print Export, this drop-down window, and you're going to export to a Word document. And now it's automatically cited your citations in MLA format, Times New Roman 12-point font. All you have to do is highlight all the text, hit Control-C to copy, open up your PowerPoint slide, and paste it in there, which is Control-V for the quick keys. And there is your work cited, and that's all that's to it.